Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Dealing with Brightspace. What we're going to be doing today is going over some details related to how to add a YouTube video to your Brightspace course. And there's two ways in which we can do that. And so let's take a look at Brightspace. Here we are in my sandbox course, and just for fun, I want to add a video to my chapter 1 content. So I go to content, and here I am in chapter 1. Now the video that I want to add is actually from one of my YouTube channels, which I have ready to go here. I switch over to that YouTube channel. This is Dr. K's Psychobabble. And I want to add the video on crisis fatigue. So I go to this video, into your body, and here's the video, me in action. I have an embarrassing moment there, but here's my video. And I go down to the share link right here. I click on share, and there's the link to the video. So I copy that, and I now have in the memory the link to my video on crisis fatigue. I go back to chapter 1, and I want to add this video. So I can do this in one of two ways. One, the first method I'm going to show you is I'm just going to simply add a link, and the students will click on that link and it will take them to YouTube and they can watch the video. So I go to upload and create, and I select create link, and I'm going to say movie on crisis fatigue, and copy that. And I'm going to open it as an external resource. It's outside of Brightspace, and I create that. And here we are. It's actually brought me to that space, but let's go back to chapter 1 here. And you'll see that the link is right there, movie on crisis fatigue. They click on that, and it brings them right to YouTube, and they can watch the video. Now, that's not the only way I can do this. Another way that I can do this is to actually embed the videos. So what happens when you embed the video is the students are going to see a little copy of the screen, and they'll just be able to click on it and it'll play right in the window. The advantage of that is they don't go anywhere else besides in Brightspace, but the disadvantage of they can't really get all the other features and comments or whatever that go along with viewing a video directly on YouTube. So that's really just a judgment call in terms of the faculty member. So I simply go to upload and create. Remember, I still have that link in my memory here. So rather than creating a link, I go to video or audio. And this gives me the option to upload a video or audio file or look at a web video, and it asks me to enter the URL or the embed code. That's another piece of information you can get directly from YouTube. But I have the link, so I place the link there, and it has the title, Crisis Fatigue, and there's the little video right there. And I press save. And see how it embeds it right into Brightspace now. So if I go back to chapter 1, and I go down, and here's the video, and I click on that, I'm still in Brightspace, and I can simply click there. Not only your regular alertness, but if you hear about a crisis, those are the two ways to go get a YouTube video and create a link, go to your YouTube video and embed it in your course. Now that link, of course, works for anything, for a document, a PDF, a website, an online tutorial, or whatever. You can use that add link to add any web element to your course. Specific to video and audio, you can embed those so that students play those right in the course. So it's a very kind of neat way to add some compelling and engaging content to your class. So enjoy.